Hey folks, it's Mangirl. We're back at the farm. This is day 2 with our homemade race gate. If you missed part 1, make sure to check up here where we have a link to the first part. First thing I gotta do though is find the race gate. I stashed it somewhere here because it doesn't really fit inside the car, so it should be in one of these bushes. Ah, there it is. Yes, we found the race gate. All right, and we purchased 2 new batteries. We had 4 before, now we have 6. The new battery is the Pulse Neo, and this is 100 Cs, 4S 1550. The old guys I was running here, and this is what I got last season, it's the 1550 75C. So I have 25 more Cs. Now does that make me a better pilot? Well, let's see. I'm hoping 25 Cs does something. All right, and we're done our flight. Went through 6 packs. These Neo packs, really good. No voltage sag, better punch out. Yeah, liking those packs. And look, the quad survived. No broken props, although, I mean, really these props have seen better days. They're all like jagged, and look at these edges. Where's the busted one? Yeah, look at this guy over here. So this one's really busted up. And then even over here, we almost had a cut wire, so I had to strike there, but look, it survived. as did the gate. So you can see the gate over there, it's alive as well.